Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix free trial auto charge on Ladder. So if you were unexpectedly charged after a free trial on Ladder, it usually means the trial auto renewed into a paid subscription before cancellation. So most fitness apps including Ladder use automatic renewal by default. So actually guys, first you will need to cancel the subscription immediately. So you must cancel using the same platform where you subscribed. So if you subscribed using the Apple App Store, you will need to go with the settings or your device settings right here, and then just go with Apple ID or your name at the top, right here at the top of the settings, and then just go with the subscriptions option. It's the fourth one. So just tap on it, and here you will need to find rather than just cancel the subscription. So similar subscription systems require cancellation through the original payments platform. And at the second, you will need to check whether the charge is pending or completed. So if the payment is still pending, supports may be able to reverse it more easily. And also guys, I really advise you to contact Ladder supports quickly. So many apps are more flexible if the charge happened recently and you forgot to cancel, or you barely used the service afterward. So you all need to be polite and explain when the trial ended, that you intended to cancel and that you want auto renew disabled. So to do that, you will need to get back to the app actually and just tap your profile picture that's located at the top right corner of the app, and then get to the gear icon, and now just scroll down to the support and feedback right here, and there you go. So here you will need to go with contact support, and here you will need to go and tap on the billing and account management and just chat with the support. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.